What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. We're playing TDS. Nice.
And also me.
Yeah. I want to buy a crate. Okay, guys, we just unlocked the military base and the shotgunner.
Okay, guys, leave a like and subscribe.
Leave a like and subscribe. How many times did you say that? 3? Okay, let's find.
Oh my
God,
God.
I'm floating. I am
Look
ascending.
at me. Look at me. Look at my jump.
Hey.
Hey, look at my jump.
Hey, what? What?
Left.
Oh! Son of a baka. No. Okay, we're back. Wait, P, where are you going? Don't go without me, you flipping Luger. Oh, there he is, Ricky. Okay, guys, I need to bring full stuff, okay? We have military base.
I have a demo man.
Yeah, demo man.
But then you go to Swiss base.
Retro Zone, that's a good map. This map is amazing. So, guys, please rate like and subscribe, and I will punch his head. Boink, boink.
Slap it or I'll slap you.
Oh!
Leave a like, subscribe to my boy.
Retro Zone is gonna die kill me. Oh! Hey, yeah. I obey him after me. It's so cute though.
Where did I go?
No, it's wait. What is that map? Okay, just don't move, okay?
Yes. Where did I go?
Oh no, I gotta go alone. Okay. I'm gonna bring. Maybe you need to wait. Just wait there. I'm gonna get a shotgun.
Okay, I'm just gonna go and leave.
No, don't leave.
What key?
We'll just wait. Just wait, they'll be here. Okay, you can.
I'm going to this.
I'm sure you need. Okay, you have better stuff to use it. There's on what is this says. Well, now it's spawn. Okay, now I get it. Hey, you got the shotgun, boy. I'm gonna get some more stuff. Alright, guys, we got our military base. Little truck over here. We're just gonna get us zombies. Come on, scouts.
Yeah.
Okay, now we.
Yeah.
Okay.
What? You're not recording.
I don't know what just happened.
Yeah.
Then
Don't
my
go
brother
first one.
say what's up. What's up? Say what's up.
Hi.
Hey, nice. Okay. Alright, guys. 2 military base right over here.
Guys, look at me.
No, they can see. Whoa, you're spinning. He has a
Hello,
break
Zombas.
Okay. Come on, trucks. Come to me. Oh my God. So, it's an earthquake. Sorry, guys.
No.
Oh, need sniper.
No, I'm gonna die.
It's okay. I need to play good with this sniper. Can I be a place over here? Over here, there.
Please.
Need a military.
No.
With some more stuff, dude.
I'm demo.
Demo me. Oh, that's a boss. What?
Wait, ow.
Stop it with the shotgun. I want another shotgun.
Please.
Okay, I'll upgrade this next soldier. I need to.
What happened to my health?
I need something. Okay, got 2 shotguns. 2 shotgunners. Oh, what's this? Wait, why is my voice on? Oh, is this a computer? It's a mouse! Why am I going through it? Wait, TD has a soldier. My brother. My brother's a broad. Yeah, he has also demo mana, but
So,
I don't have a
yes.
demo mana. I want the demo mana. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Check this out. It's too strong. Oh no, I'm dead. Okay, that's good. Wow, that's a fast
So I know, but no, it's okay. We'll get you the pro. Okay,
Dude, this is a fast zombie.
no.
Ouch.
Oh, wait, what's this guy? What? He has a Kuda from like Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Oh, that
Oh,
sound is sweet. So,
oh my
it's so annoying.
goodness. Freaking zombies.
Upgrade your towers too, because they can see the hidden zombies, like for the hidden detection. To level 2, okay?
Yes.
Come on. Hey, why am I so far? Wait, more sniper dudes.
Somebody.
Scouts. Here. These scouts are good. Come on, soldiers. I need demo man. Shotgun necessary.
No, good zombies.
Okay, nice. Oh no, mystery zombies. Get them, guys. Spray them.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Shoot them.
Yeah.
Shoot them. No, we need enough towers. Wait. Shoot them. Okay, I need a boss first. Okay, we have enough military base for this. Now that's enough military base. Now we can see more of these guys. Okay. Speak up. Cool, that's a nice name. This dude has a green snap. Okay, guys, I just got this green scud. I just love the scud because it's color green. Oh, molten zombies! Oh no! Oh no! There's one coming. Dad, go and get him, trucks. Please. Oh, it's dead. Yeah. Okay, my brother lost. It's so sad. We're supposed to coming for my brother. It's so sad.
I'm just gonna play.
Oh! Holy mackerel! Mackerel! Got the fish without to kick this butt. What? Ah! I skilled. This is a scary game. Ah! Oh my god! It's Nakamalaka Snoggy Bunks. Ow! Are you serious?